ask you another question here. I want to ask you, was there a glitch? Yes, there was a glitch. On day one, was there terrible crowd management? Of course, there was terrible crowd management. No one is saying it wasn't. The minister has come out and apologized. Did Galgotia University lie and claim that the robot dog was actually made in their campus when it is actually made in China? Absolutely. They have been asked to leave by the government. मैं आपसे फिर पूछ रही हूँ. Galgotia University, private university, lies and says we have made this robo dog, our students have made this robo dog. How is the prime minister to blame? झूठ उन्होंने बोला, blame आप prime minister को कर रहे हैं.
I just gave you a live example. When you are hosting a historic world-class summit, could there not have been a micromanagement in seeing that what are they going to showcase? Because some of the things that they are showcasing are fit for a college fest, not for an international level world summit. And you cannot
Rohan Gupta, respond to that, please.
No, I will give me 30 seconds more. Galgotia is not a one-off thing. This is part of the same ecosystem. Because in 2020, 2021, their research scholars wrote that coronavirus is killed by the sound of thali and ghanti. That was the Prime Minister's clarion call during COVID crisis. This is the same university where they bussed the students to Delhi to protest against Congress party.
Are you nitpicking? Are you nitpicking? अब आप अभी 2 मिनट में बोलने वाले हैं गलगोटिया यूनिवर्सिटी इज आई मीन यू ऑलरेडी सेड इट एक्चुअली इज पार्ट ऑफ द बीजेपी's इकोसिस्टम. एनीहाउ ये तो आपने बोल ही दिया है. I was thinking you will take at least 2 minutes in the show to say that, but anyhow, Rohan Gupta, please respond to the point Saral Patel is making, that you have a summit of such a standard. The fact is that global leaders from 110 countries are coming to India. And can we just put out the list of global leaders who are coming? Let's just put that out, because that will tell you the scale. That will actually tell you the scale of the show. My point is, there needed to have been a bare minimum check on who's being invited to set up a pavilion. The government failed in that duty. That limited point, possibly the BJP will have to take.
See, again, this is the classic example of how low our opposition can stoop to prove their point. They are discrediting the work of 140 crore Indian, and they need to understand how to oppose government, how to oppose India. Across the globe, the leaders are coming here. They are saying that what we are doing, how India is going to be part of AI, our digital transactions, our UPI system. Everybody is like all of what of the Indians are doing. This is not about BJP. And you are just one incident, and that also you have clearly said. Their pavilion has been closed, 300 exhibitors, 30 countries participating, 70,000 square meter of area of the whole display, and you are discrediting everything just because of one incident. This is called the vulture politics, and that is why you are losing the trust of Indians. Don't discredit the Indian work. You cannot say there are lots of universities, lots of youngsters, lots of startups. Why are you discrediting all of them just because of one incident? You are saying that there are certain displays which are not even for college. You give other examples. This is not the way. This is the way the opposition is discrediting their own voters, and they are stooping to such a lower level कि जो बचे खुचे वोटर है वो भी भाग जाएंगे, फिर वोट चोरी की कंप्लेन करते करेंगे. अरे विरोध करिए, पर हर चीज का तो मत करिए. Government, as you have rightly said, obviously there was a glitch. There was a mismanagement on day one. The minister came out openly. He apologized and ensured that from day two this will not happen. And the things have been improved. Okay. The university which made mistake, the stall has been closed. That's a larger point. How can you discredit the whole thing and question Mr. Modi for this thing? You have to understand. When Sundar Pichai says, when Macron says that now India is not required, we cannot do without India for AI transformation. And you are discrediting the whole global community just because of one small incident. I think this is not the level the opposition should stoop to.
Okay. Abbas said that the point is the opposition's job is to oppose the government. वो भाई काम है opposition का. And the opposition in a democracy needs to ask questions. I think all of us accept that. But there have to be some things that are above politics. When there is an AI summit of an international level happening for the very first time in our country, should you have dragged the Prime Minister and the government, called it a disorganized PR spectacle, etc., etc.? Criticism is fine. I understand the criticism. You are not the only ones criticizing. A lot of people who went to the AI summit on day one have criticized it as well. But some things have to be above politics, ना? अपने देश को हर फोरम पे तो हम बेइज्जत नहीं कर सकते.
श्रेया जी, वी नॉट हम अपने देश को किसी भी फोरम पे बेइज्जत नहीं करें. इनफैक्ट द भारतीय जनता पार्टी हैज tried to humiliate our country on this particular forum. And if you talk about, this is not about an isolated case of a robo doc which was presented by Galgotia University. However, they are the government's favorite university in the country. That's a different thing. But
How
this
do
is
you
not
know
an
that?
isolated case.
नहीं, Abbas Haider, on what basis are you saying that it is the government's favorite university? कुछ भी.
Because नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं. They have been protesting.